Algorand's EMA10, all things considered, shows a by and large descending pattern, which basically is genuinely huge. As far as Algo support floor, it for the most part is currently 29 cents, which really is very huge. Algo fall 2.18% in 7 days, which by and large is very huge. Algorand generally is buy and buy esteemed at $0.09302 September 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through Algorand cost examination for no or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now and in a real sense, attempt to answer this much of the time, commonly sought clarification on some things, facts. What basically is certainly transient cost expectation for Algorand. In every way that really matters, is Algo a sort of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Algorand support and opposition levels and so on in a genuinely significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging truly profound into the Algo specialized examination, certainly let us explicitly discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations, certainly further appearance how Algorand's EMA10 sort of shows a descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,044,536,289,332, or so they in every practical sense thought. The especially all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $29,925,801,445, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the Algo specialized examination, generally let us certainly discuss the essentially current economic situations, further appearance how Algorand's EMA10 explicitly shows a kind of descending pattern, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which generally is very huge, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $25,926.63 level after a vertical development of 0.6%, exhibiting how as far as Algo support floor, it most certainly is currently 29 cents. All things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.59%, coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours in every way that really matters, Lordway. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.95 following a value change of 0.66% inside a similar time span, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 0.14 and presently exchanging at 50 cents in a truly significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which fundamentally shows that XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, especially is up by 0.14. And as of now exchanging at 50 cents in a significant manner. These occasions generally show that the market especially is going in a by and large descending course for commonly present moment, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly, has seen a cost increment of 0.59%, coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense, is very huge. As of now, a genuinely broad, genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, or so they generally thought. Support generally is a level at which purchasers basically become in every way that really matters, more sort of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors certainly become move sort of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part, shows that as far as Algo support floor, it in a real sense is presently 29 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand. Algorand execution. The very current Algorand cost certainly is $0.093 with an exchanging volume of $17,348,611 in the truly beyond 24 hours, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. At present, Algo basically is up by 1.27% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $731,794,858 United States dollars, showing that Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish especially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in every practical sense, large way. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Examination for 0 to September 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span, fundamentally made sense of underneath, exhibiting how similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors generally become move kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part, shows that as far as Algo support floor, it in a real sense is currently 29 cents, which especially is very huge. We utilize exceptionally relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA2 in every practical sense. Examine the future development of the Algorand, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%. Which basically is very huge. The Algorand sort of has especially break all its truly upholds levels, and things fundamentally are not looking really great for the crypto market, showing how Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Presently, explicitly bears really are in charge of the market, and effectively in every practical sense, take Algo cost underneath the significant help level of 29 cents. Showing how Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. While Algo's Williams %R marker most certainly is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange commonly signal basically is somewhat conceivable at this reach. Especially further appearance how Algo fall 2.18% in 7 days, or so they in every practical sense thought. The Algo United States dollar moving truly normal union and difference, MACD pointer especially is showing in every practical sense, present moment, truly sell truly signal, as the MACD line certainly is moving underneath, kind of sign line which sort of means, basically bears generally are overwhelming on the lookout. So the Algo United States dollar moving kind of normal combination and disparity, MACD, marker, truly is demonstrating a genuinely present moment, really sell in every practical sense, signal, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath lovely sign line which in a real sense, implies for the most part bears especially are ruling in the market in an extremely huge way. The very relative strength file. RSI demonstrates that the Algo coin in every practical sense